Alrighty YouTube, today I'm going to give you a quick little walk around of the 2022 Nissan Rogue with the VC turbo and the SV trim level. So it does have remote start. And as you can see, has the updated Nissan logo, which matches the gunmetallic paint perfectly. Does have LED running lights as well as headlights. This does come with 18-inch wheels, which honestly in the spy shots of the 2023 Altima coming out, I can see where they're coming out with that design. It does have turn signal mirrors, keyless entry on all 4 doors. This is one of my favorite paint colors that Nissan makes. It's so nice when the sun hits it. As I mentioned, this is the SV trim level. This does come with rear parking sensors. Does have plenty of cargo space. And this does have the standard stereo, but as you can see, that says has a subwoofer. So the stereo does have a good kick to it for being the standard stereo. It does not have a automatic liftgate. You have to get the premium package on the SV trim. Does have blind spot detection. They moved it from here to the mirror. No big deal. I do like the interior design that they went with. Even though this has the cloth seats, I like how they added the same right there. Just have a nice soft armrest, power mirrors, windows and door locks. It does have an 8-way power adjustable seat with lumbar support. Here's a glance of the seat and the interior. Does have push button start. Dual automatic climate control. I'll turn that down so I'm not interrupting the sound. Does have the 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Nissan Connect with SOS capabilities. The SVs come standard with Pro Pilot Assist with Adaptive Cruise. I'm not sure what all trim levels come with auto high beams. I'm pretty sure it's standard. So it does have auto high beams. Rear door alert. This one does have the 1.5 liter, 3-cylinder variable compression turbo engine. Haven't really pushed into it too hard because it only has 259 miles and the braking period's up until 1200. I do like that it has paddle shifters, even though I'm jealous that my Altima VC turbo with more power doesn't. Has Nissan's newest electronic shifter. So there's a little button here on the side, and you pull it back for drive. Pull it back one more for manual. Up for neutral, and then if you push the button and up, that is your reverse. And there's the camera, which is a pretty good resolution. And push the P for park. It does have the electronic parking brake. Push down to disable, and pull up to enable. It does have auto hold, which will hold the brakes when you're at stop signs and stoplights. It does have 3 drive modes. You have standard, sport, and eco, which I typically drive in eco until this break-in period's over. USB-A and Type-C. There's a quick little glance of the interior again. Now, I had already filmed this once, showing how roomy the back seat is for someone that's even over 6 foot, which I'm 6'3". Here's the back seat. This does have plenty of headroom, even sitting behind. Y'all see that? That's a lot of room for someone 6'3". I can, even sitting behind myself, plenty of leg room, like impressive. I'm not even sure if my Altima is this for me. I've never really tried it out. I definitely don't have the headroom in the Altima. So this is really comfy. It does have more USB-A and Type-C outlets, as well as rear AC vents. That's the steering assist button and instrument cluster adjustment. And just a quick little look at the engine. That's the 1.5 liter 3-cylinder VC turbo. Puts out 201 horsepower, I believe, and 225 torque, if I'm not mistaken. Could be off by 1 or 2 numbers on the torque. But yeah, this is the 16 replacement, and so far, it's awesome. These do have capless fuel tanks. But yeah, here's a little bit of the exhaust. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing to this channel. And I hope to make future content for y'all that y'all enjoy. I will eventually get to where I turn this camera around and start filming myself and more things like that, but I really appreciate y'all's support. Thank y'all for watching, and peace and take care.